Visually and by hearing, check for any leakage in the air suspension pipeline and second suspension or the air bellows. If any leakage is detected from any of these, rectify the leakage. Simulate the air suspension pressure in the DT car and in the M car by the pressure reducing valve. The pressure should be 5.4 bar in the DT car and 5.05 bar in the M car. Check the brake page on TIM's monitor. Check the MR pressure in the MR pressure gauge. It should be between 8 to 10 bar. Check the BP pressure. It should be 5 bar on the BP pressure gauge. Check the service reservoir pressure from the SR gauge. It should be between 8 to 10 bar. Move the master controller to maximum brake position. Check whether the BC pressure in the gauge increases around 3.4 bar plus minus 0.25 bar and the BP pressure gauge in the cab reads 5 bar. Now move the master controller to coast position. Ensure that the BC gauge indication in the cab decreases. Move the master controller to emergency brake position. Check that brake cylinder pressure gauge in the cab increases to around 4.5 bar plus minus 0.25 bar and brake pipe pressure gauge in the cab reads 5 bar. Move the master controller to coast position. Ensure that the BC gauge indication in the cab decreases.